In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this JAMB Maths question under decimal values. After going through this video, I guarantee you guys that you'll be able to basically deal with problems involving decimal places for your JAMB Maths. So let's get started. So the question one I have here says evaluate this value minus this value times this to three decimal places. All right, so for this kind of question, to be on the safer side to get the right value, you need to apply board mass to it. Okay, so for this acronym board mass, we have our multiplication before subtraction. So basically, what we're going to do now will be to simplify 1.6324 times 0.43. So we can do this with the JAMB calculator. So this is the calculator again to set in your JAMB. So we have 1.6324 times 0.43. So what will be the output? Okay, wait, let me 1.6324 times 0.43. So that's it. Let's press equal to. We have it to be this value 0.7. So you have to write it down. Okay. So not forget we have 0. So we have 0.701932. Okay. So right now, let's subtract this value from 21.05347. So it's going to be 21.05347 minus 0.701932. So let's check the output. We have it to be 20.351538. So right now we have to round this up to leave our answer to three decimal places. As we all know, decimal values begin to count immediately after the decimal point. So the third decimal point here is this one. So we have 3 the first decimal place, 5 the second decimal place, 1 the third decimal place. Now this 5 after the ones is up to 5. So since it's not below 5, you're going to take it as 1 and round it up to this 1 here. The correct answer to this question will be option D, which will be 20.352. All right, so that will be the correct option to this question, option D. When you round up this 5 after 1 as 1 to the one will not change to 2. Okay, so it now be 20.352. That will be the correct answer to this question, not option A. Okay, so the correct option is option D. It's as simple as D. That's how you can solve this kind of question for your JAMB Maths under decimal values. All right, so let's clear this and go to the next question. Okay. All right, so question 2, we asked to calculate this correct to 4 decimal places. Okay, so as usual, you need to simplify this. Let me show you. Let's bring a calculator. Let me show how you can do this. Firstly, let's simplify what we have at the denominator. So we have 27.5 times 3.2 times, now 10 to the power of 4 is the same thing as 10,000. So we have 10,000, that's 40. That's all. Press equal to see the output. So we have it to be 88,000. No, we have it to be 880,000. All right, so right now it's very, very straightforward. All you have to do now will be to let's do everything here. Give it 3476 divide 880,000 and 80,000 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 That's all. Press equal to see the output. We have it to be 0.00395. We have to correct to 4 decimal places. You know that decimal values begin immediately after decimal point. So this 0 is a decimal value, this 0 is a decimal value, this 3 is a 10 decimal value, this 9 is the fourth decimal value. So guys, pay attention, this is critical. This 5 after 9 is not below 5, it's up to 5. So you will take it as 1 and round it up to the 9. When you round it up to the 9 as 1, this 9 now basically has to change to 10, but there's no way you can express 10 in this situation. So basically, this 10 now, you also round it up as 1 to 4, to 3 rather. So when you round up the 10 now to 3, 3 now change to 4. So the correct option in this question would be 0.0040. That's option B is the correct answer to this question. Since we asked to round it up to 4 decimal values, so the correct option is option B, 0.0040. That's the answer to this question, and not 0.004. 0.004 is at 3 decimal level. It has to be option B, 0.0040. That's the correct option. Okay, when you round up the 10 as 1 to this 3, the 3 now change to 4. So what you will now leave behind the 4 will now be 0 to make it up to that 4 decimal value. So that's the correct option in this question, option B. It's very, very simple. Let's go to the next question. Clear everything here. So question 3, we have evaluate this correct to 2 decimal places. All right. So this question is actually very, very simple. Let me show you guys. To simplify this kind of question, we have, let's change this division into multiplication. Okay, so it's going to be, we have 1 over 0.03 times this time I 1. When you change it to multiplication, what you have at the right, the fraction, you are going to invert it. So this 0.024 now will now come up, the one will go below. Now be 0.024 over 1. So right now you can simplify. The work can be made easy. So let's simplify this with the calculator we have here. So we have 1 times 0.024 is still 0.024 basically. So to 0.024. All right, divide 0.03. What's the output? We have it to be 0.8. Now guys, we are not done yet. Remember, we are having this to the power -1 for the question. So what this thing means is 0.8 to the power -1. Another way you can express this is simple law of indices, is 1 over 0.8. So what you now do now is to punch on the calculator. You punch 1 divide 0.8. So we have it to be 1.25. The correct option is option D. It's as simple as this. Either I can solve this question. It's already in 2 decimal places. So 1.25. Let's clear this and go to the next question. Okay, so question number, let me wipe this. All right, so question number 4. We have evaluate this and correct to 1 decimal place. Okay, it's the same pattern, the same procedure. You just change the division to multiplication, invert what you have at the right. So it's going to give you 6 over 0.32 times 0.084 over 2. So let's simplify. Remember, this is 6. Okay. So let's point this on the calculator to simplify. So we have 6 times 0.84 0.084 rather. So what's the output? We have it to be 0.504. Okay, so 0.504. Right now, let's simplify what the output of 0.32 times 2. Remember, we have 0.504. Okay, let's leave it in. So we have 0.3 0.32 times 2. What do we have? 0.64. Okay, so basically now we're going to do 0.5, 0.504, which is the first value we got, divide 0.64. Okay, where's equal to, so we have 0.7875. So that's the output, 0.7875. So remember, we have to the power -1. So the last you are going to do again will be 1 over 0.7. So let me write this. So it will not be 1 over 0.7875. So when you punch this on the calculator we have here, let's do it, guys. So it's going to be 1 divide 0.7875. So press equal to, so we have 1.26984,127. We're asked to correct one decimal place. As usual, decimal value, we need to count immediately after the decimal point. So after the decimal point, we have 2, the first decimal value, 6, the second decimal value. So this 6 is up to 5 or more than 5. So you want it up as 1 to 2. So the correct option in this question now will be option A, which is 1 point. The way you handle this 6 as 1 to 2, 2 not change to 3. The correct option is option A, 1.3. It's as simple as this. Alright, I wish you guys use the scientific calculator of your JAMB Maths. This kind of question would have been walk away. Alright, that been straightforward. But I'm just showing you for this kind of calculator, this is a procedure you follow because this calculator is not scientific. This is a procedure you follow to ensure that the calculator is giving you the right output. So let's go to the next question, which is question number 5. All right. So question number 5, we have it to be evaluate this, divide this to 2 decimal places. All right. Now this question seems technical, but it's very, very easy, guys. I'm going to show you. Let's just solve it together. So let's simplify the first bracket we have. So this is 8 over 0.2 plus 3 over 4. Okay, so let's put this into a single fraction. So you're going to find the LCM. LCM of 0.2 and 4 will be 0.2 times 4. Now we're going to do 0.2 times 4. So we have it to be 0.8. LCM is 0.8. All right. So 0.2 divides 0.8. You're going to have the output. If you are not, if you want to be sure, if you're not sure of some calculation, you can either use the calculator. Okay. So we're going to have 0.8 divide 0.2. So we have it in 4. Okay. 4 times 8, the numerator, you are going to have the output to be 32. Okay. Plus 0.8 divided by 4 will give us 0.2. Okay, so if you want to verify, can we use the calculator? So we have 0.8 divide 4. 0.2. So 0.2 times 3. So we clear this, we have 0.2 times 3. We have the output with 0.6. Okay, so what we're going to write here will be 0.6. So basically, it will now be 0.6 plus 32. Leave this everything here. That's 0.6 times 32 plus 32 rather, 0.6 plus 32. So we have it to be 32.6. Okay, so remember we have 2.6 here. Okay, so we are going to have 32.6 over 0.8. So this is the output for what we have at this bracket. Now let's simplify what we have for other bracket. So we have in this bracket, let's convert 2 number 2 over 5 to an improper fraction. So 55 times 2 is to give you 10. 10 plus 3, that's we have 13 over 5. All right, minus 4 over 5. You take the LCM. LCM is 5. Okay, 5 into 5, 1. 1 times 13. 13 minus 5 into 5, 1 times 4, 4. All right, so you now do the subtraction. 13 minus 4 will give you 9 over 5. So at this juncture, we then bring everything together. So we're going to have, remember, when we divided 32.6 over 0.8, let's check the app of, let's just do it like this. Now we'll be at the safe side. Now be 32.6 over 0.8 divide 9 over 5. Okay, this is a procedure you follow. Then you then change this division sign to multiplication. You now invert what we have. So when you change multiplication, we're going to have, let me complete it here. We're going to have 32.6, okay, over 0.8 times 5 over 9. So right now, let's on the calculator. We're going to have 32.6 times 5. Let's do this one after the other. Very, very important. We have 163. Okay, 163. What of 0.8 times 9? Okay, 0.8 times 9. 7.2. So it will now be 163 divide 7.2. So what will be the output? Where is equal to 22.63888889. So I have to leave answer to two decimal places. So after the decimal point, we have 6 the first decimal value, 3 is the second decimal value, 8 is the third one. So this 8 after 3 is up to 5. You want it up as 1 to 3. So the 3 will not change to 4. So the correct answer to this question is option C, which is 22.64. This is what option C. It's very simple. 22.64 is the correct answer to this question. So that I can simplify this kind of question in your JAMB Maths. So I wish you guys have scientific calculator. This question would have taken time like this, all right? But this is the reality. Just have to accept the challenge and get to learn how to solve this kind of question faster. Okay, so let's go to the next question. Let me wipe this. Wipe this. All right, so we're making progress, guys. If you are enjoying this video, ensure that you hit the subscribe button now to subscribe to this channel for more of the videos. I really appreciate these guys. All right, so let's solve question 6. Question number 6. So we have evaluate this and correct to 3 decimal places. All right, so let's delete everything here. Let's simplify what we have at the numerator. This question is quite very simple. So it will be 0.14. We have square. That square means times another 0.14. Okay, times 0.275. So that what we have there. We press equal to see the output. We have it to be 0.00539. All right. So at this junction now, you can simplify this first forward. We have 0. Let me write this down so that you will not make unnecessary mistake. We have 0.00539. Okay, so let's check what this will give us. 7 times 7 times 0.02. So we add that to the output is 0.114. So finally it will now be everything here 0.00539 divide 0.14. What's the output? Press equal to, we have it to be 0.0385. So we have to give our answer to three decimal places. This 0 is the decimal value, this 3 is the decimal value, this 8 is the third decimal value, the 5 is the fourth one, this 5 is up to 5. Okay, so we are going to round it up as 1 to 8. So 8 will not change to 9. The correct option in this question is option D, which is 0.039. All right, it's as simple as this. So let's go to the last question we have here, which is question number 7. So question number 7 is same to question number 6. So there's no need. The answer is still option B, 0.039, and that's what we got when we solve question 6. So this basically can deal with problems involving decimal places or decimal values for a JAMB Maths. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to our channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Please like, share, and comment on the video. How you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in the video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below. I'll ensure to give you a response. Alright, now click on the screen above and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.